Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kathy, and if you're a returning subscriber, I like that for you and I like that for me. So today this video is a collaboration with Merit. If you haven't heard of Merit, it's a beauty brand that really focuses on minimalistic makeup and just the simplicity of beauty. And honestly, guys, I love that for me, and I know you're gonna love that for yourself, just because honestly it's not glammed up every single day. Like, honestly, I only like to glam myself up like probably once in a while, but like realistically speaking, I love a really sustainable routine that I can do very quick. This is supposed to be a very quick 5 minutes. Obviously this video is not gonna be 5 minutes, but it's supposed to be like a 5-minute quick makeup, so like a very simplistic look that makes you look super elegant, super cute at the same time. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again, Merit, for collaborating with me on this project. Alright, so first I'm gonna show you guys the box. So they sent me this PR box, very cute. It came with like a little card and like a note to it. The thing I like about this, it comes in like this brown little like pouch thing. It's so cute. Like, I'll definitely be using this all the time, honestly speaking. So they sent me 5 products. So we're definitely gonna go through them as we go along. All right, so now let's get straight into the routine. And as I go into the routine of this video, I'm gonna go through the products and kind of explain them and everything. So I already start by prepping my skin. So as you can see, my skin is looking smooth and fresh. I kind of have a little breakthrough coming through on my forehead, so please ignore that. I am so sad. But yeah, so we're gonna start with the brow. It's a Brow 1980. It's a volumized pomade. So basically you're supposed to brush your eyebrows with it. Technically speaking, you're not supposed to, in a sense, do anything else with your eyebrows because it gives it a little tint and whatnot. But I know for a fact I'm gonna have to go into my eyebrows just because this will not be enough for me. So first of all, look at the packaging, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys, so pretty. So as you can see, it kind of comes like in a this little spoolie brush. So I'm going to start with it actually, and then brush my eyebrows up top. Alright, so as you can see, if you had like thick eyebrows, like this would like just be a done look, but I like my eyebrows really filled in, so I'm gonna go now and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm back with my eyebrows, and I also did put a little bit of brown eyeshadow on my eyelid, just because for me, when I do my minimalistic looks, I like to just add a little brown color, just to give it a little zoom. So yeah, so that's pretty much how my eyebrows and my eyeshadow is looking right now. So I'm gonna go back with the brow pomade just to set that. It's supposed to add like also a tint to it. So I don't know if you guys kind of just saw it right now. It kind of just gone darker. Like, as you can see, this got darker compared to this. So let's just add some. So now we're gonna go in with the mascara. So again, they have a clean lash mascara. Again, product packaging is everything, guys. Like, look at this. I love this. Oh my god, this is so clean and classy. Like, this is up my alley, guys. Up my alley. So we're gonna go with my lash. So basically now we're gonna move into the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. So it's not a foundation and it's not a concealer, but it's supposed to do the both at the same time. So again, it's not supposed to add full coverage. So as you can see, like, I already have my spots here on my forehead, so we're definitely gonna build on it 100%. So this is how it's looking. I got it in the color Sienna. Honestly, I don't even know if this is my shade. But we're gonna try it out because I had to pick it from the website. They told me to pick my skin tone, and like this is the one that looked the closest to me. So, and I also got this blending brush. It's super cute. This is definitely something I'll be using with even my other foundation. So this is really cute, guys. All right, so let's go. Alright, so far, honestly, I am not mad at the color. I think I may have picked well, but we'll see. So let's just blend it with the brush. Alright, so first, let me just start by saying, like, it definitely matched my skin tone, so good job, Kathy. Second, I'm definitely gonna build on it because usually I wreck my skin tone with some red undertone, but I cannot do that right now because this is supposed, again, to be a really just a quick makeup routine with those 6 products. So I'm gonna go again with the product and just add more to my forehead, as you can see here. I'm probably gonna go over all my face just because I like a more full coverage look, although this is not full coverage, but we're just gonna go again. So let me just do that. Alright, so I went again and put another layer. So I do love the second layer. However, my forehead really needs more coverage because of the breakouts that's going on. Like, I really need more coverage. So I don't know if you can see. Let me just... This brush, like this brush, no guys, this brush though, I'm literally gonna be using this for like all my routines because this is it. This is actually it, guys. Like, this is it. Beauty blender, what? We got Merit over here. No, this is it. Honestly, I love this. So now we're gonna go with the Day Glow. It's a highlight balm. So it's just also to give you like a dewy look, you know, just a quick highlighter. So I got this shade. Actually, there was only one shade, so it's called Cava. So again, for packaging. So let's just do. Ooh, I'm gonna fix it, guys. Okay, highlight. I like to kind of put like some here, some down the bridge of my nose. Ooh, one second. Oh, yes. I want to put more though. Oh, yes. Like, do you see it, guys? Because I see it. Oh, yes. Like, do you see how, like, dewy it is? Like, it gives you that dewy look. I really like this. This is a yes for me. This is 100% yes for me. Let me put a little bit on my forehead. Let's get that dewy look over here. Oh yes, 100% yes. This has like my 100% vote, yes. Oh, I like this. Oh, I'm just gonna give it a little more. Oh, see how like my face like kind of looks like dewy. Ooh, Merit, you know what you're doing. I love this, guys. This was lit. This was really good. This was really good. As I let my face dry, the last thing that we need to do is the lips. So they have this Shit Slick. It's an ombre pomade. It's a tinted lip oil, and this is in the color Taupe. So I was really excited about that because this is one of their newest shade that they have. So again, packaging, product packaging is everything, guys. Is everything. So I'm excited for this, guys. Oh my god, yes. So it's supposed to be like a lip oil. Oh my god, this is giving me, honestly guys, I'm sorry, but this is giving me Fenty and the Fenty lip gloss, and you already know how I feel about Fenty lip gloss. I love it, and this is it. Like, this is gonna be my everyday lipstick, like literally. Like this is a 10 out of 10, 100%. All right guys, so I'm pretty much done with the look. So this was supposed to be a 5-minute, realistically this is actually a 5-minute makeup look, but because I'm recording, obviously it's longer. We're testing it, we're reviewing the products. So let me give you guys my full review right now. So when it comes to the brows, I definitely like the brows, but after I am done filling in my own eyebrows, just because I need to fill my eyebrows, guys. I cannot go like that simple, so I definitely need to fill my eyebrows. So the brow pencil, the brow mascara, just to put it after, that's definitely a good thing for me. So I'll give that like a 7 out of 10. I really do like it. I will definitely continue to use it. I definitely like the fact that it's tinted. It tints your eyebrows at the same time, so this is a good thing for me. The mascara is gonna get a 10 out of 10 just because it gives me volume to my own eyelash. I do love it, so a 10 out of 10 for mascara for me. When it comes to the complexion stick, it's definitely gonna get like a 7.5, 8 out of 10, just because I definitely need to correct my face before. However, if I didn't have the blemishes on my forehead or anything like that, I do think that this is for anybody that don't have to do those extraness. 100% this will be a 10 out of 10 for you guys. When it comes to the brush, I will give that like 100 out of 10. Like that brush is coming with me everywhere I go. I definitely do like that brush. That brush is a must. If you don't have it in your kit, if you just want the brush, just get it, because honestly that brush is 100 out of 10 for me. So I definitely love the brush. The glow stick highlighter, 100% yes. Do you see how dewy my face look without even being dewy? Like, oh my gosh, 100%. I would give that again a 10 out of 10. I really did like that glowing stick. It was really nice. And obviously, finally, the most important part, the lips. Honestly, 100 out of 10 again. Like the lips, the lip color, like I love how it just gives me that little glow. It's like, and you can see the tint as well. Like it's not just like those clear lip gloss, like that little taupe, that little tint, like it's doing it for me. Thank you Merit for collabing me with this project and for sending me all those beautiful products. Like guys, honestly, when it comes to my review overall, honestly I would give it all a 10 out of 10, just because the products are really good for everyday makeup look. If you're really looking for that minimalistic simple look, like this is it guys. Honestly, I'm vouching for it. Like this is my honest opinion. I love it. So thank you again Merit. So yeah guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below what products that you prefer the most, and if you're going to try it, and if you have, let me know what your experience was, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye.